Outstanding.
This is a reggaeton dancehall trap type beat. Today I'm going to show you how I build this beat. First, on this list I have a guitar loop without the effect. This is what it sounds like. The effect that I added, Fruity Love filter, secret sauce with Exile preset, a 670 compressor to compress it with the London algorithm selected, Fab Filter Pro Q3 to do an effect automation at the front of the beat, the high pass filter to get rid of the lows in this section, and this is what it sounds like with the effect. The second sound on this list is from Trap God with the black ice keys, and this is the chord progression for it. Same sound, different chord progression again. The third sound on this list is SQD preset from the Roland Cloud Jupiter 8 plugin, and this is what it sounds like without the effects on it. Effects I added on it is Shaper Box 2 with the halftime preset, width and filter section, and a parametric EQ to filter off the lows and highs, and this is what it sounds like with it on it. The third sound on this list is SQ Acid Ring Mod from the Jupiter 8V plugin from Arturia. This is what it sounds like without the effect on it. The effects that I added to it is Shaper Box 2 with a halftime preset with control and filter on it, along with Fruity Parametric EQ filtering the lows and most of the highs, and this is what it sounds like with it on it. The next sound I have on this is a sine lead from Purity with the effects. This is what it sounds like. The effects that I added to this sine lead is Reverb 2 with the Cathedral preset, through the Flangos, if I'm pronouncing it right, Isotope vinyl plugin with a few of the knobs are fiddled with, Fruity Limiter to give it a little bit of juice, and a parametric EQ filter in the lows. The next sound I have on this list is 106 sub bass from Omnisphere and Bob Bass from Roland Cloud plugin Jupiter 8, and this is what it sounds like together. The next sound on this list is Vox No Flex from Trap Soul plugin, and this is what it sounds like with it on it. The effects that I have on this is a Fruity EQ taking out the lows and a compressor compressing the peaks, and this is the main drum pattern that I have on it. This is what it sounds like. all drums are from the Dancehall Trap drum kit over on the website. You can get yours today. This is what the beat sounds like in context. I hope you like this beat. It's a very wonderful beat, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment below and type beat that you want to see or any particular video that you want me to upload. And don't forget to get a bunch of goodies over on the website at eldoradoproductions.com, and I will be reshaping the website in the coming weeks, so you can look over a couple of glitches among, you know, very improved things. So without further ado, catch you again in the next video. It's about Eldorado. Please consider subscribing. Peace out.